According to the latest analyst consensus, the average price target for Unity software is $49.17, which represents a potential upside of 26.17% from the current price of $38.97. The highest analyst price target is $61, while the lowest is $40. Some of the factors that could drive Unity's stock price higher in the near future include continued growth in the metaverse, which is expected to be a major driver of demand for Unity's real-time 3D development platform. The company's expanding customer base, which now includes some of the world's largest gaming, entertainment, and automotive companies. Unity's strong financial performance, which has been driven by strong revenue growth and profitability. However, there are also some risks to consider, such as the company's high valuation, which could make it vulnerable to a sell-off if the broader market declines. The competitive landscape, which is becoming increasingly crowded with new entrants. The company's reliance on a small number of large customers, which could make it vulnerable to fluctuations in their business. Overall, the consensus among analysts is that Unity is a buy, and the stock has the potential to rise significantly in the next year. However, investors should be aware of the risks involved before investing.